Ganun. Nagbabalik ka ng ulit. Papa. Isa, tumulito. Sunog. Ayan, nasunog ang ating cheesecake. Grabe, tutong. Pero tignan nyo naman. Pinag-agawan niyang sunog na yan. At mas sunog ay mas masarap. Ganun pala ang cheesecake. Pero syempre, wag naman natin siyang gayahin. Siguro mga konting ano lang. Grabe, ang sarap niyan. Ang sarap ng pagkakagawa ko. So, yung aking first try ng paggawa ng cheesecake, medyo hindi naman natin masasabing palpak dahil nakain naman at masarap naman siya. Yun nga lang, nasobrahan sa oras. Ayan, sarap naman siya eh. So, ito yung ating mga ingredients dito sa ating cheesecake. At inilabas na nga ng Lola ang nakatago na machine na gagamitin natin sa ating baking. Yan ay 10 taon na. Ngayon pa lang magagamit. First time. Ngayon, mag-start na tayo sa ating paggawa ng cheesecake. Una natin gagawin, combine lang natin yung crushed graham, yung sugar, at yung butter. Pagka-sama-samahin lang natin silang lahat, silang tatlo. Haluin natin silang mabuti, mamix natin ng maayos. Yan ang ilalagay natin sa ilalim ng ating cheesecake. Usually kasi parang ang inilalagay sa ilalim ng cheesecake ay yung sa egg pie matigas. So, ito, start na natin yung paglalagay ng ating cheese. Philadelphia cheese. Yan. So, 3 balot yung aking ginamit dyan. Then, lagay na natin yung asukal. Unti-unti lang. Ang paglalagay ng asukal, habang i-mix natin yung ating mixer, tsaka natin ilagay ng unti-unti yung ating asukal. So, after nyan, yung egg naman ang ating isusunod. Ganun din yung gagawin natin. Unti-unti ang paglalagay. Nakakatawa lang kasi hindi ako marunong gumamit ng mixer. So, lakasan lang talaga na loob. So, yung nilagay natin ay yung vanilla. Naglagay ako ng vanilla. And then, ito na nga, i-ice na natin yung ating. Ayan, nakita nyo, hininervous na naman. Pagka kasi bagong recipe, medyo kabado ako. Kaya, hindi pwedeng maistorbo. Kinakabahan kasi ako dyan. Cake. I'm making a cake.
You're making a cake?
Yeah.
Yay! Hello. Oh, wow.
Hi. How are you? I like it. Yeah.
It's a cake. Mama's making a cake.
Cake.
You made a cake?
Yeah.
Why are you making one? What's up?
For Coco's birthday, I'm making a cheesecake.
For who's cheesecake?
You.
Miss Smith.
Because your birthday is soon coming.
That's for me. Oh,
Yeah.
Miss Smith. Wait, you want to play now or play after? Can I do it? Can I please do it? Wait, where? Let's play now. Coco, I'm making your cake.
Do sa loob, wala? Sit. Okay. We're ready?
Are you ready to put it in the oven?
Yes. This is my cheesecake.
Ito mo isa na lang.
Hold it. My cheesecake, hold it. And we need to eat it now. We cannot wait for tomorrow. We cannot wait to put it in the fridge because the boy beside me is...
No, that was Daddy.
Okay, the two boys.
Then didn't understand what all the hype was about. This girl actually taught her dog how to say I love you back to her.
Woo!
For me? All of it?
One, two, three.
What's that?
Sabi kasi, i-fridge mo. Kahit mo i-fridge mo yan, babalik pa ba ulit? Hindi, ibig sabihin mag-prepare mo yung ano, kung nasa ibabaw. Aba, mama, hindi mo upos. Okay. Wait muna ako.
Sabi ko, kung sa galing yung iba lang.
This isn't a phone. I just printed it out. Just kidding.
This is it. My cheesecake.
About being creative. This isn't a phone. I just printed it out. Just kidding. It's actually me.
Ayan, dali na.
Hey
Tikman
guys,
nyo na.
I'll show you.
So, ayan. Kinabukasan, ito na lang ang natira sa ating cheesecake. Kalahati na lang siya. At malamang itong maghapon na ito, mauubos na yan. So, next time, yung ating next time, meron pa namang next time, for sure, magiging okay na siya. And thank you for watching, guys, and see you all tomorrow. And if you're not yet connected to my channel, please give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng aking incoming videos. Thank you, and see you all tomorrow. Bye!